What is loan servicing software? Let's go ahead and dive in and talk about some of the features of that particular product. Okay, loan servicing software is a software platform that helps manage outstanding loans. Okay, so a loan servicer or a direct lender or a direct funder, they need to pull money back from borrowers. Capital was deployed to the borrower, and now the process of collecting the payments once a day, once a week, once a month, whatever the repayment structure is, all the statements that have to go to that borrower. Maybe there's a client portal for that particular borrower to log into to see all their transactions and statements. That is a loan servicing software platform. Okay, when it comes to loan servicing, there are several components, but there are two main components that really make up a good loan servicing software platform. The first one is integrations with payment processors or banks. Okay, in order to move money, you have to have a processor or a bank that does processing to move that money. So integrations with ACH processing companies, credit card processing companies, or the banks to be able to process those payments and have all of the loan tape, all of the ledger come back on the software platform so you can see all the transactions for every borrower that you've lent money to. Okay, so payment processing is definitely a big piece of loan servicing software. Another big piece of loan servicing software is investor management. A lot of these loans these days are not provided by just one individual or one bank or one private lending company. Depending on the size of the loan, a lot of these loans are done with multiple organizations or multiple investors making up that one loan, and now you have investors, and those investors need to be paid out accordingly. So what this typically means is those investors or those syndicates are going to have a portal they can log into. If there's a digital wallet attached to that, they can inject funds into that portal, and that lender or that servicer can kind of manage all the liquidity of those funds in the software platform. And that has a lot to do with servicing a deal and funding a deal. Okay, so that's kind of the second feature. And then I would say the third feature has a lot to do with statements and communication for loan servicing, maybe reporting for loan servicing, right? Where that servicer can jump in there and they can either send a PDF or they can send an email, or they can run a report for some data for the month or for the year or for the quarter. And that kind of makes up a really good loan servicing software platform. Here at Centrex Software, we have a phenomenal loan servicing software platform. We've included our LOS, we've included our CRM. You can purchase them all together or one at a time. It comes with statements, client portals for clients to log into, investor portals for investors to log into, digital wallet technology, statements, text and email communication. Phenomenal product. Go ahead and click on request a demo, fill out the form, and a Centrex Software agent will be in contact with you shortly.